Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make smoky macaroncini. Not the best looking, but the best tasting. Yay, in the kitchen today, making one of my favorite pasta. They're all my favorites, so there we go. This is part of the Book of Mama. So this is a book of my mum's recipes, and I've spoken about it and also about the apron on another video. So you can check that out if you want to, just to understand a little bit more what this is about and how much it means to me. Let's get to the recipe because I cannot wait. And this is going to be my dinner for tonight. So I think my husband is just waiting for me to cook it. So I was like, oh, hurry up, darling. This is really simple and it's called Maccheroncini al fumè, which means smoky macaroncini. Basically a pasta with smoked pancetta, but I don't use pancetta, I use bacon because it's cheaper. And also, I went to the supermarket to buy the bacon lardons. Jeez, how expensive are they? And I got this cooking bacon, chopped it myself, saved a fortune. So I've got 500 grams of bacon because I like to make loads of it, because when I do it, I also like to eat it the day after because it's lovely cold as well. So all it is 500 grams of bacon, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, mild chili powder or whatever chili powder you want, if you want a bit stronger. And then you need 250 ml of cream. I use the soya cream, but it doesn't mean that you've got to. The flavor is still the same, but you can use double cream, extra thick double cream. I used to use that a lot until I switched, and oh my God, it's amazing. It works a treat. So go for it. And obviously you need, this time I've done 300 grams of this little tiny pasta, which we call it maccheroncini, but here they call them macaroni. Oh, and obviously you need olive oil and salt. But let's get on with it. Okay, we just put probably a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Don't overdo it. I think I probably overdone it. And then we let it warm up for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna turn the water on. Just make sure that you have got plenty of water to cook pasta, because one of my previous partner, he was arguing with me that apparently to cook pasta you don't need a lot of water. And I was like, hello, you telling me I was born to cook pasta? And funny enough, it burned the saucepan because there wasn't enough water. Lesson learned. Once the oil starts not boiling, but when it's warm enough, then we just put the bacon in. Oh, see those. And we brown the bacon with a little bit of chili powder, 1 3/4 teaspoons. That will do. And then stir it really well. Just make sure that the bacon is coated. And then what we do, we add our chopped tomatoes. 1 and 2. This is going to be cooking for about 10 minutes, but I'm going to add the salt later. I'm going to wait 5 minutes and then taste it and see what it's like, because I don't want to get it too salty, because the smoked bacon releases quite a bit of salt, so I might not need a lot and I don't want to overdo it. I know the cream is gonna turn it down, so you need to have a bit of a balance, but you can always add more salt if you like it later on once you've added the cream. But the cream is the last thing we add because it's gonna take only a few minutes. But let's wait for this to cook. Let's add some salt in the water. I usually do 2 pinches. Let's add a little bit of salt. The amount of salt is up to you, really. See, just taste the sauce as you go along and see whether it needs adjusting or not. If you want some pepper, just add some pepper. I usually don't. I like it like this, but entirely up to you. This is gonna be so nice, so nice. Not a good looking dish, but a great tasting one. I cannot wait, I'm starving. I think it's just right. Oh, nice kick as well. You don't have to use the maccheroncini. You don't have to use the macaroni to make this pasta. You can use the little penne as well. They're like so lovely, so lovely. There's all different kinds of pasta that they go with different kinds of sauces. I never worked out why, but they seem to go. They seem to work. So I stick with it. Now that the sauce is simmering, is bubbling on really, really nicely, I'm gonna leave it for about 10 minutes or until the juice has reduced nicely. Oh, water's boiling. Time to turn it down and put the pasta in. When I cook pasta, I never really follow the times on the packet. Well, what I do, if it tells you that it's 10 minutes, I would check it after 5 and I would taste it. And I'm gonna show you how to see whether your pasta is al dente or overcooked or undercooked. Okay, this is now been bubbling away for 10 minutes. What I'm going to do, oh, before that, let me try it. Yep, I think it's okay. That's it, the cream goes in and we give it a stir. Gonna try again just in case it turn it down a little bit too much. Perfect. Oh my God, it's got that smokiness and flavor and spiciness from the chili powder. Oh, I love it. I love it. I can't wait. Let's try the pasta. Okay. The way I know that the pasta is not cooked yet, I'm not sure that you can see because this is too small. I'm gonna try with another pasta. The next recipe is basically you will see the translucent, as the pasta cooks, it becomes translucent. So if you still see like a little bit that is still got like a strong color, then it's not cooked. Also, you can taste it. So, and that has only got 1 minute to go. Oh, the sauce is now ready. Yep. Let's drain the pasta. Here it is. You can put it back where it was. And now, ooh. There's a lot of sauce for the pasta that I made, but nice, juicy pasta. Not the best looking, but oh my God, if it's tasty. Just like Mama used to make. Oh, so good. Oh, I'm so gonna enjoy this. If you've enjoyed this video, why not give us the thumbs up? It really helps the channel. And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out. It's a goodbye from me. Take care. Bye-bye.